Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street closed higher, building on Friday's rally as increasing expectations of a second Donald Trump presidency in the wake of a failed assassination attempt raised hopes of a looser regulatory environment. Inflows into digital asset investment products have hit a new record of over $17.8 billion year to date, pointing to the start of a potential crypto market recovery. The new record comes after cryptocurrency investment products saw a total of $1.44 billion worth of inflows last week. Apple shares rose 2.5% to a record high after Morgan Stanley raised its price target on the iPhone maker's shares and designated the stock as a top pick, citing the company's AI efforts as a boost to device sales.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 7 GMT, Japan's tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 9 GMT, the US export price index at 12:30 GMT, the US import price index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.